Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a little bit of a different content here, but I wanted to do a review on this Blackstone grill that I am just obsessed with. So it was so easy to put together. So we wind up, my kids actually put it together. Y'all know they're adults, but they put it together fairly quickly. And once it got together, my husband, he wind up just cleaning it off for me, and then he seasoned it. So it is important to go ahead and season it because you want the whole thing to turn black. Like, like a cast iron is basically what you're trying to do. You're trying to turn the whole thing black. So I bought this Blackstone, the griddle seasoning, and I will link everything. So in case you guys are interested in it, you could go ahead and purchase it. But so we used that, and he did it 4 times. So you put it on, and then you put like a little paper towel in the middle of some tongues, and just try to get it where it's just leveled off. And then you wait about 10 to 15 minutes in between, let it burn off, and then you do it again. So the whole process takes about an hour. You could do it 4 or 5 times. You just want to make sure that the whole thing is black, and that's how you season it. So that's pretty much the hardest part. And then it wasn't difficult, but that was kind of the hardest part of it, is just taking that time to make sure that you season it. That way, it won't rust out. And that way also you don't have to worry about, using a lot of oil, which you'll see I still wind up using a lot of oil. I didn't need to, but I did. So for me, I thought this would be like a really good idea because I like to meal prep because I don't always have a lot of time to do like cooking every day. So I do like to meal prep our meals. So that was one of the main reasons that I got it, because you can cook a lot at one time. And then you'll see once I start cooking on here, you guys, it was so easy to put a meal together. I'm going to start doing some videos, of course, on the Blackstone as well. But it's just, I'm like, this is a total game changer. Like, I can't believe, and if you have a large family, this is definitely going to be the type of grill that you want to get, because normally I'm standing up when I meal prep. I usually stand up for so many hours. I am tired. My back is hurting. Here, I cook that food so fast. In fact, I overcooked my vegetables because I didn't even need to do all of that, but I overcooked the veggies. I didn't realize it cooks so fast. It cuts the cooking time. To me, it was like in half. Cleanup was also a breeze. All we did was just kind of scrape it off. And then there's a little opening that you can put it through with like a little tiny basket. So we just put that through there, and that was it. But if you guys are on the fence of buying one, I'm going to tell you it's a great investment. I absolutely love mine. And yeah, you'll see some more videos of me doing different recipes and meal preps on here, because this is going to be, like I said, a game changer for me. All right, I'll talk to you guys later and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.